Hi there, and welcome to another episode of How to Livable. My name is Eric. So the first thing that we want to do today is put our cursor at the beginning of whichever paragraph that we want to change the indent of. And then we're going to look up at the toolbar here, and you'll see there are a couple different arrows. If you just hover over the arrow for a second, it'll show you what it corresponds to. So the top one is for the first line indent here. The bottom one is for the left indent, which would be any of the rest of the paragraph basically. And then this little tab at the bottom would be to move the entire paragraph. So if we want to move this indent in a little bit, we click on it and drag it over, and look at that, it moves the beginning of the paragraph. If we want to make this second paragraph match it, we just, again, drag it over until that vertical line is in the same spot. And if you want to do multiple paragraphs at the same time, you just highlight the two that you want to use and move them over. It's only going to work if they have the same indent initially. So if we move this back and then we want to do these three paragraphs, it's not going to let us because there's two different sizes of indent. So they all have to be the same, but you can do multiple paragraphs at the same time as long as they have the same indent. And that is basically how you change the indents on your paragraphs in your document for Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, please click the like, subscribe to the channel, ask me questions, whatever you want. It's all good to me. And I will see you next time on How to Livable.